How to enable playback in feeds on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable playback in feeds on YouTube. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. This will let you access the settings section. Among this option, you have to choose the option of General. Tap on it. Now here, you need to locate the option for playback in feeds so that you can choose whether videos plays as you browse or not. When you tap on it, a pop-up menu box appears where you will see the three options: always on, Wi-Fi only and off. So in order to enable playback in feeds on YouTube, tap always on, or else you can tap Wi-Fi only. Once done, you will successfully enable playback in feeds on YouTube. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.